Hi, welcome back. Good to see you here. And today's video is all about the ordinary skincare for beginners. So what do you need to have in mind when you get started? First of all, there are lots of products with the ordinary that you should not mix together. So these are the most advanced skincare routines. But today we are talking about safe routine for beginners with no conflicts, and that's actually for every skin type. I have oily skin and I could somehow benefit from these products, and I'm sharing with you. So remember that I still have a separate review for each product, so I'm not gonna talk too much about each product here, otherwise the video is gonna be too long. So to get started, we're gonna start with the Squalane cleanser. Excuse me, the background noise. And so that's a cleanser that is ideal for every skin type. Then you will apply, you wash your face, you know the way you wash your face, you apply the cleanser on your hands. Looks like a cream, right? Looks like a cream. And then you just hub it together to arm up, and you put on your skin. That's a great one, but the only problem with this one is that I don't feel like it's good enough for makeup removing. So I have another one for makeup removing, but when I wake up in the morning, or I just didn't go out, or I don't need that deeper cleanser, I just go with this one, right? And the next one is the next step is the Buffet serum. You will apply this serum. This is not aging, so you don't have to apply the Buffet serum. You can apply any other serum that's ideal for your skin situation, but this one is actually good for everyone, and it's for preventing early or treating early signs of age, or if you already have mature skin, you can use it for minimization. I'm not saying that this is very powerful, even though many people like it, but there are different ideas online of people. And for myself, I didn't notice that much of a difference. Start off some small, which is something, small improvements, which is something, but it's not a miracle in a bottle. And I guess one product alone is not going to be a miracle in a bottle. That's lots of factors like the food you eat and things like that will help. And the next one is so to recap, you do the cleanser and apply the serum. It could be the Buffet serum, but can be another one, and then you apply the caffeine solution under the eyes. So if you ask me if I recommend this one, I would say I'm not sure because in my case, because my under eyes skin is very sensitive, and it let my under eyes a bit dry. So I stopped to use it, I bought it, I'm not using anymore. So that's my situation. That's what happened to me. So I'm just sharing with you. And then you finish with the ordinary natural moisturizing factors HA. It's a very lightweight moisturizer, and honestly, this is one of my favorites. I love the texture, I love how I apply it, and it blends really well with the skin, and I can use it in the morning. The problem to use this in the morning is that at least this one that I have now, it doesn't come with SPF protection, so I would definitely need to apply a sunscreen with this one if I want to use it. But it's a morning and evening product, and it's great to be used as a primer if I'm going out at night and I want to just apply some makeup and foundation. Is a great substitution for primer. And so that's it. That's the skincare. That's the ordinary skincare routine for beginners. So just cleanser, serum, eye serum, and moisturizer. Every day, morning and evening. In the morning, you're gonna add the SPF protection, sunscreen protection, on top of these products. For the moment, I don't have the ordinary SPF protection, but I'm trying to find it so I can test it, because I could only find the 15 factor, which I think is not, I think it's a bit little, you know, so I'm just trying to find the other one. So that's the video for today, and make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna be posting, or maybe I've posted already, videos about each of these products. I'm not gonna post, probably I'm not going to post every single product from The Ordinary, by the most popular and the most known. I'm trying to bring it here, so I have individual revisions for each one of those. See you in the next video.